Hey everybody, Mr. Odom here, and we are going to work out problem 40 from section 6.1. You'll need your pencil, composition book, or notebook paper, and you'll probably need a calculator. And the learning target for this video is I can use percents and decimals to solve word problems. So let's get started. I worked a problem out here, so I'm just going to walk through what I did. So students in a class are asked to tell their favorite color. So part A, what percent said red, blue, or yellow? So what should I do? Well, I should add these three different sections of this pie graph together. So I write down what the three sections are, and I convert them to percents because I'm looking for a percent as my answer. And then just add them together, and I end up with 70%. All right. So for part B, how many times more students said red than yellow? When you see something that says how many times more, you should be thinking division problem, okay? Division problem. So how many times more students said red than yellow? The red goes in the numerator and the yellow goes in the denominator. And that's what I did here. Red in the numerator, yellow in the denominator, and I just find the values on the pie chart. So red was 0.26, yellow 0.04. Put that in my calculator and I get 6.5. And what does that mean? How many times more students said red than yellow? 6.5 times more said red than yellow, okay? And then for part C, it basically says use two methods to find a percent of students who said green, okay? And which one do you prefer? So the first method, I just added decimals together. So I looked at my pie chart and I converted my percents into decimals. So wherever I saw a percent, I wrote it as a decimal, and then I added the decimals together. So that's what I did here. And I ended up with 0.84, and we remember how to turn that into a percent by moving the decimal two places to the right so that it's closer to the percent sign. Then I have to remember for the green part, I have to subtract 84% from the whole thing, which is 100%, and I get 16. So 16% said green. So that's not too bad. Let's look at a different way we could have done that, and that is add percents. So now I change my decimals into percents, and I add them all together, and I just get 84%, which I subtract from 100, and I get 16% again. So which one would you prefer? If I'm looking for percents, I think I want to change everything into percents. That way I don't have to do anything at the end. My answer is a percent, but it's totally up to you. So that's it for this video. Hope everyone's having a good day. This is Mr. Odom. I'm out.